Hello, guys. Good day. Our lesson is all about finding the area of an irregular figure. I am your teacher, Catherine M. Achensa. Before we move on to our lesson for today, let us define what is an area. The area is the number of square units that can fit in a figure or the amount of surface it covers. Now, look at this figure. Can you tell me what is the area of this figure? How to find the area of this figure? First, can you see the lines across and over the box or over the figure? Okay, it is divided into how many units? One box or one unit is equal to one square unit. This figure is made up of how many units? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 square units that made up of this figure. Now, what do you call that 16 square units that made up or that covers the figure? It is what you call the area. Can you see this figure? Okay, this is an irregular figure or irregular shape. Now, this shape has how many square units? Now, how many square units are there in the figure? Okay, so let us count. Why do we need to put these lines over and across the figure? For us to know, for us to count how many square units that made up of the figure. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this figure has 10 square units. Now, that is what you call the area. Another example, take a look at this figure or irregular shape. And 1 unit is equal to 1 square unit. Alright. How many square units are there in the figure? Okay. But just looking at the screen, it has 12 square units. Because one box is equal to 1 square unit. So we just count the number of square unit in order for us to determine the area of this figure. Another. So let us go to activity 1. Count me in. So what are you going to do is you're just going to count the square units in order for you to determine the area of the shaded part. Study its shape, then find the area of the... Okay, let us find the area of the shaded part. So this is the figure. Okay, nagdikitan yung rectangle at saka yung square. So, how can we determine the area of this figure or this irregular shape? Okay, and 1 unit or 1 box is equal to 1 square centimeter. So, what are we going to do? Yung isang box daw, 1 square centimeter. So, we're just going to count. Tama? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many square units are there doon sa shape na ito, sa shaded part? There are 10 square units which is equal to 10 square centimeter. Now, let's have another example. Let us find the area of this shaded part. It's like an inverted T. Yung shape niya, ano? Okay, yung color blue. Again, yung isang box or square unit is equal to 1 square centimeter. So, anong gagawin natin? We're just going to count only. Bilangin lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, there are 8 square units which is equal to 8 square centimeter. Okay, another example. Let us find the area of the shaded part. Okay, what is the shape of this? It's like a cross. So what are we going to do? One unit or one box is equal to 1 square centimeter. And again, what are we going to do? Bilangin lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ilan lahat yung square unit na bumubuo doon sa cross na ito or doon sa shape na ito? There are 8 square units. So, it's equal to 8 square centimeter. Yan ang area ng cross na ito. Always remember, in finding the area of an irregular figure or an irregular shape, just count the number of square units in case it is equal to 1. Alright, did you understand, children? This figure has 8, or the area of this figure is 8 square centimeter. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 square centimeter dahil yung isang box or square unit ay isa lang ang bilang niya. Isa ang sukat niya, 1 square centimeter. So, we just counted the number of units. Now, children, you may get your mathematics activity sheets, quarter 4, week 1, activity 1, on page 1 and 2. What are you going to do is you're just going to count me in. Direction, study each shape, and then find the area of the shaded part. That is all the instruction. You're going to find the area of the shaded part by just counting the number of units. For 1 unit is equal to 1 square centimeter. That is all, guys, and thank you for listening. This video is credits to the Ordinata City Divisions, Grade 4 Virtual Instruction members. They are Sir Mandy Madriaga, Sir Rodel Medriano, Sir Leopoldo Palaylay, Ma'am Mylene Sonyo, Ma'am Rosie Castro, Ma'am Mary Jane Tabelas, Ma'am Divina Raimundo, and yours truly. And to the EPS1 of Mathematics, Ma'am Gloria Victoria M. Grabella. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.